Yes, children, let's start. I don't want to make any delay. You don't want to become late. So let's start the session of the day. And today in this session, we are going to learn something lovely about English. Yes, children, in today's session, we are going to learn something fantastic in English language. Yes, what are we going to learn? We are going to learn something sweet, something cute, something lovely, bubbly. Yes, children, we are going to learn words in English. Words in English. Yes, we are going to learn so many words in English. Yes, the screen is ready for you. Lovely pics, beautiful pics, colorful pics are on the screen. Yes, children, E. Yes, today you are going to learn words with E. E, capital E. This is small e, and already my lovely children know how to write capital E, small e. Yes, E for egg, E-G-G, egg. Yes, I love eggs. I love egg omelette, and my mama prepares egg omelette, which I love the most. Yes, children, at least twice a day, eat egg in your diet. It will really make you very strong and you will grow tall very soon. Yes, E. E for egg, white egg, E-G-G, egg. Yes. E for elephant. Yes, elephant is the biggest animal in the jungle. Elephant has a very big trunk. What does elephant love the most? All the elephants love bananas, coconuts. Yes, I have seen an elephant in the zoo. Whenever you go to zoo, see the elephant, give it a banana, it loves eating it, and have a snap, have a pic of elephant. It will be a lovely experience. Elephant, E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant. Yes. Envelope, E-N-V-E-L-O-P-E, envelope. Yes, children, envelope. Whenever you go to birthday parties, many of your relatives, many of your family members give the gift in the form of money. They don't give money directly into your hands. They put it in an envelope and give to you. Yes, it's envelope, E-N-V-E-L-O-P-E. Envelopes are in different colors. In our picture, the envelope is brown in color. Yes, what is this which is purple in color? And how nice! It has a crown on the head. Yes, what is it? It is called eggplant. Brinjal, otherwise purple brinjal. Brinjal is king of the vegetables. Why is it king of the vegetables? Because it has a crown. What is it? Crown. Who wear crowns? Kings. Kings wear crowns. Yes, children, that is why eggplant or brinjal is called the king of the veggies. Who is the king of the veggies? The king of the veggies is eggplant. Egg, E-G-G, egg, P-L-A-N-T, plant, eggplant. Yes, children, how nice it is. Let's move ahead. In this session, you are going to learn so many words. Yes. Now let's revise the words with F. 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 Yes. This is capital F and this is small f. Capital F, small f. Yes, children. What is this? Yes. As it is rainy season now, and if there is stagnant water around, you find them. Croak, 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 croak. What are these? Frogs. Yes. They make a lot of irritating noise. Isn't it? When do you see them? You see them during rainy season. They jump. Practice jumping like frog. You really enjoy it. Frog, F-R-O-G. F-R-O-G is jumping frog. Jump like a frog. Yes. Fish, F-I-S-H, fish. Yes, children, fishes live in water. Fishes have beautiful eyes. They swim very beautifully. Yes, I love to swim like a fish. Yes, my mama prepares delicious fish curry. Yes, children, lovely. We see them in water. So whenever you go to pilgrim centers like Tirupati, Mahanandi, when you go to bathing gods, there in the pools, in the ponds, you will find lot many fishes. We even give food to the fishes because we love to watch them. Lovely, lovely fishes, children. F-I-S-H, fish. Fan, fan, F-A-N, fan. Yes, children, fan. We all have electric fan at our houses. Yes, fan gives us cool air. We love to switch on the fan and love to sit under the fan and do our homework, classwork, everything. Yes. Fire. See, children, fire. 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 It's not fire. Don't pronounce R. Fire. Fire. Yes, children. Be very careful with the fire. Don't touch the fire. Be very careful. Be far away from the fire. Yes, it's all safe to do so. Yes, children, flower. It's not flower. It's flower. How beautiful it is with all red petals, green leaves. Yes, children, flower. Repeat. Practice saying flower. Flower. F-L-O-W-E-R. Flower. Yes. Flag. Where do you see this flag? Yes, we see this flag in our school. Now the question is, when do you see this flag? You see this flag on Independence Day, on Republic Day, hosted in your school. Yes. Flag has how many colors? Flag has 3 colors. 3 colors: saffron, white, green. Flag. F for flag. F-L-A-G. F-L-A-G. Yes, children. Lovely, lovely. You have learned so many words with F. Yes. Frog, fish, fan, fire, flag, flower, flower. How nice. Really, you people are very great. How nice. How cute you people are. Yes. You're learning very well. You're not at all feeling stress. You're all stress free. Yes. That's the greatness. Yes, children. G. G. Yes, children. Let's learn so many words with G. Girl. Girl. It's not girl. It's girl. Or silent, children. Don't press R. Don't pronounce R. It's girl. All girls are pretty. All boys are good. Yes. Grass. Grass. G-R-A-S-S. Grass. Yes, cows and buffaloes eat grass and give white milk. Why do they give white milk? Because they eat plenty of green grass. Grass. G-R-A-S-S. Grass. Oh my God. Ghost. I am afraid of ghost. Ghost. I am afraid. That is why I don't go in the dark. I'm scared of darkness because I'm scared of ghost. Ghost. G-H-O-S-T. G-H-O-S-T. Ghost. I am afraid of ghost. Yes. Next. Goose. G-O-O-S-E. Goose. Yes, children. Where do you see these goose? You see these geese, goose in the water. They swim in the water. Yes, children. Beautiful. Glouses. Glouses. G-L-O-V-E-S. G-L-O-V-E-S. Glouses. Yes, we wear glouses. Yes, we wear glouses. When do we wear glouses? In winter season. In winter season, we wear glouses because it's very chill. Very chill. So we wear glouses to hands. Even in cricket, all the cricket players wear glouses. Yes, children. Grape. Yes, yummy, yummy grape. Tasty, tasty grape. G-R-A-P-E. G-R-A-P-E. Grape. Giraffe. Giraffe. I love giraffe because it has long neck. Giraffe. G-I-R-A-F-F-E. Yes. G-I-R-A-F-F-E. Giraffe. Giraffe. Yes, children. Giraffe. Yes. How nice. How great you people are. You have learnt all the words. Yes, lovely children, lovely. Now here on the screen you have H. H. Capital H. Small h. Yes. Let's learn words with the letter H. H. Hat. Hat. H-A-T. Hat. Girls wear hat. Boys wear cap. Boys wear caps. Girls wear hats. Lovely. Hat. House. We all live in a house. My